angel, you're the girl of my dream. I like to thank you for waiting patiently. Daddy's home, Daddy's home to stay. I had a girl, and Donna was her name. Since she left me, I haven't been the same. But oh, my girl, Donna, where can she be? Where can she be? Oh, Donna, oh, Donna, oh, Donna, oh, Donna.
I took a walk in past your house late last night. All the shades were pulled and drawn way down tight. From within the dim light cast two silhouettes on the shade. Oh, what a lovely couple they made. Silhouette, 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 oh, silhouette, 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 oh.
What's your name? Is it Mary or Sue? What's your name? Do I stand a chance with you? It's so hard to find a personality with charms like yours for me. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. You're mine, and we belong together. Yes, we belong together for eternity.
You saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Blue moon, you saw me standing